Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how you can create whiteboard animation. Yes, whiteboard animation. So if you are coming across my video for the first time or you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so because you are going to benefit a lot from this channel. So just a quick introduction. This is my channel. My name is SA Marvel, Marvel AI Academy. So in this my channel you are going to learn how you can create AI videos, how you can edit picture with AI, like everything you can do with AI, how you can create content with AI, how you can use AI to grow your business in the aspect of creating logos, flyers, advert, and you don't need to have a graphics skill. Yes, I'll be teaching everything on this my channel. So make sure you are following me so that you can be able to learn all those for free. So if you're not following me yet, follow me and like this video. So now we are doing teaching today whiteboard animation. How to create whiteboard animation. So whiteboard animation is very easy to create. It's very easy to create. Now you come to your Play Store for those of you that are using Android. For iPhone, the app is not yet available for iPhone, but if you're an iPhone user which you can't be able to access all this, drop a comment in the comment section that you're an iPhone user so that I can be able to create a video and send you the link immediately on how you can be able to get access to the app as an iPhone user. So let's get into it. First of all, now I'll be doing this slowly, so please follow me because I want you to understand. So I will not be rushing it. I'll be doing it step by step so that you can learn. Now, this whiteboard animation can be used for a lot of purposes. You can use it for adverts for your business. You can use it for creating of children rhymes. Like if maybe you are a content creator who want to start doing videos for children, like those nursery rhymes and all that, you can be able to use it. Or you want to do advert for your business, you want to do sample presentation, a lot of things. Yes, if you're a video editor, you want to do sample like a presentation with it, you can eventually do it. You get it. Now a lot of things you can use it for, a lot. Yeah, so let's dive into it. Now first of all, you come to your search bar and you search for Binimi AI. You search for Binimi AI in your search bar. So let's search it. Binimi AI. Binimi whiteboard video maker. That's what you are searching. So if you're an iPhone user, please don't forget, drop a comment in the comment section that you're an iPhone user so that I will be able to do a video on how iPhone users can get the app. Then you can eventually get it. So let's get into it. Now this is the app. It's already installed on my phone. If it's not yet installed on your phone, you will eventually download it and install it on your phone. Now you press open. So we are about to create. Now this is the interface is going to show for you when you open it. You come to here, this plus sign at the down, and you create. Now you can name it to whatever you want. You get it now. You can name it to whatever you want. Now today I'll be calling it tutorial, let's say project 1, and make sure there's no line spacing, because if there is line spacing you will see that it's showing project name should not contain spaces. So make sure there is no line spacing at all. You get it? And make sure there is no line spacing. So you choose anyone according to your preference on what you want to create. You get it now? According to your preference on what you want to create. Then you come to create project. Now your interface is ready. Your interface is ready. Now this is what we are going to do now. Your interface is ready. This is what we are going to do now. Now First of all, I will explain each and every option that are here. Now this is the for the sticker. Now this is where you get whatever image you want to use. Like let's say you want to create let's use the most simplest one now. Let's say you want to create a nursery rhyme for like alphabet rhyme for children. You come over to this sticker, then you look for what you are looking for. Now let's say we are looking for apple. Now you look for apple, you look for fruit, you look for fruit. I think we have fruit here. You look for fruit. Okay, yeah, fruit is here. So you just wait, let it load. You just wait, let it load. Okay, then you look for apple. Okay, this is an apple here. This is an apple here. Then now once you have clicked your image, now when if you want to know that your image is being clicked, you will see this lines that is at the edge of it. You see these lines, they will be there. You get it now, these lines will be there. So here now you can be able to choose the color you prefer, any color at all you prefer. So and you can as well change the color of your board to any color of your preference. You get it now. So let's stick with this black because this one is very, very okay. Then you can also use animation, how you want the image to come in. Now this is duplicate, this is bring front. Maybe there's a text at the front and you want this particular picture to be at the front of the text. Bring front is there, then bring back, which is opposite, then flip to change the side, bring it left to the right and right to the left, then delete. Now this is the duration, the time you want it to stay long on the screen, on the slide. You get it. And then this is where you can be able to get the size to your preference. So you size it to your preference. Now let's say we are using this one now. Then now you come to text. Now which fruit is that? This is apple, if I'm right. This is apple. Okay, then you come to insert. You bring it here. Now you choose the kind of letter you want, any one of your choice. They are all there. Anyone you know you love to use. Then here now you can be able to increase the size. Let's say 150. If 150 is big enough. Oh, that's not big enough. Now let's say 200. 200. Let's say 200. Oh, 200 is still not big enough. Okay, let's make it 400 then. Okay, I guess this one is okay. So I guess the highest you can go is 300. So now this A for apple. Now you can change the background here to any one you want, but I'm not changing it. So that's where you can change it. Now this is where you choose the hand that you want to write, that you want to be writing it. Any one of your preference you choose. So let's go with this. Then this is where you add music to it. And maybe you have nursery rhyme songs that you want to add. You can add it there, or you can also add a voiceover. So we'll get there where you can add a voiceover. Okay, now if you play it, you see now you can see how it's going. You come to music, yeah, when maybe if you want to add a voiceover, you come to TL, which is text to speech. So A is for apple. So here now you choose the language you want.
A is for apple.
Any language you want, any language. you want. Any language you want, you choose it. But for me, I love using Nigerian English. Yes, I'm a Nigerian.
A is for apple.
But that does not fit for it, so we are going with this.
A is for apple.
Oh, I don't like this voice. So let me choose a nice voice for it.
A is for apple.
Let me, for the sake of the tutorial, let me just use this. Now,
A is for apple.
here now, you can be able to move the voice to wherever place you want to put it. Now, let's play it.
A is for apple.
So now, there's something we need to do here now for it to match with it. Now we will be reducing the time, the duration, to 1 second. Then for the letter, then for the apple, we'll be using it to 1 second. So let's see how it's going to be. Now let's play.
A is for apple.
Okay, now you come to the next slide. Now want to do for B, maybe for ball or whatever. You come to sticker and you come to fruit. You look for fruit. So here we are. So if eventually you have it on your phone already, maybe you have the sketch diagram on your phone, you can just get it directly from your phone. So B, let's say B is for banana. So let's use banana. You can use ball. Is this a banana? Oh, this doesn't look like a banana. Let's look for a better one. Let's look for ball. Let's look for ball. Where are we going to get a ball now? Let's look for ball. I think school we are supposed to get a ball. Oh, yeah, ball is not here. Let's sport. Eventually we are going to get a ball from sport. Oh, ball is not here. Let's look for ball. Or what else can wicket be for? Let's try school bus. Okay, this is a ball. Okay, let's just use this one for instance. This is a ball. So now we are creating it for 1 second so that it can match with the voice. Then let's add text B. B for ball. You can change the color. Oh, there's something we are missing. We are supposed to add the spelling to it to make it easy. BALL, ball. So this one I will be reducing it to 100. I think is okay here, right? Let's go for the apple. We forgot to add that one. Wow. Don't forget to make it 1 second so that everything can match. Don't forget to make it 1 second. Depending on your preference, so you can change it anyhow you want it to be, depending on your preference. So now let's use this to just for the sake of the tutorial, for the video not to be too long. Now you come to music. B is for ball. You preview to check if
B is for ball.
If what you wrote is okay. Then you bring it and you move it here. Now let's try it.
B is for ball.
Oh, I moved the wrong one. Okay, I think I've corrected it.
A is for apple.
Now let's go.
A is for apple.
Okay.
B is for ball.
Now you can see it's ready. Now there's one thing you need to take note of. There's a watermark here, right? Now when doing a professional video, your video does not need a watermark. It make your video look childish. Get it now? Watermark make your video look childish. Now, if you are not using this app now, I'm not using the premium. That's why you see that the watermark is there. But there's a way you can be able to remove it. Just like if you are using InShot, you can still be able to remove the watermark without without doing premium. Now, let me show you how you can remove it. You click this place. Now you see remove from permanently. That's if you are doing the subscription. But if you are not doing the subscription, you see watch ad. So you just watch ad for some few minutes. Reward granted. Then you cancel. You can see it's out. Then now for you to save it now, you come here, name your movie. Also, your movie should not have any line spacing. Just the way you created that project one also. Now let's say project one, make movie. So you just give it some time just for it to load as it's playing. Then that's all. So now you can be able to use this app to create like a lot of things. You can use it in your content creation. If you're a content creator, you can as well use this app. It's going to help you a lot if you're a content creator. And if you are also into cloth business, any business at all, you can use this. You can use it for your advert. If you're an artist or whatever, like a lot of ways you can be able to use this app. You get it now? So that is that. So I guess you have learned a lot today. You have learned something new today. Yes, you have learned something new. I know you don't know this before. You have now learned something new. So if eventually this video was helpful, you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like and drop it in the comment section that this video was helpful. I will really appreciate it. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.